Nandito ako sa NAIA Terminal 1 para salubungin ang pagbabalik ni Krishna Marie Gravides. Hi, good evening. Nandito ako sa NAIA Terminal 1 dahil sasalubungin namin mga pageant media si Krishna Marie Gravides, yung lumaban sa Miss World 2025 na ginanap sa India. Bali pa uwi na siya ngayon. Nanalo siya sa India ng Miss World Asia title. So galing pala ako PGH kanina, no? Umaga hanggang hapon ako sa PGH. Tapos tumambay ako sa Robinson's Place, Manila. Nanood ako ng sine, nagpagabi ako doon. So dito na ako ngayon sa NAIA. Nandito na ako sa NAIA, sa loob ng NAIA. Bali nag-dinner na ako sa Jollibee. Hinihintay lang namin yung pagdating ni Krishna Gravides. Mga 11 pa daw. Sama ka Jonathan sa vlog. The Crown Philippines. So hinihintay na namin si Krishna Gravides dito. Ito yung mga pageant media nakasetup. Pakita ko yung mga setup nila. Yeah. Nakasetup na sila.
A few moments later.
Dumating na nga si Miss World Asia 2025 Krishna Marie Gravides sa NAIA Terminal 1 at ready na for media interview.
Anyway, I did my makeup there and I changed there and I'm just really happy to be here, to be back home and see all of you.
Krishna, what was your reaction when you heard that you are the Miss World Asia 2025?
Nako, I don't know, that moment, talagang pure happiness, pure bliss. I was feeling very happy and grateful na nakarating tayo sa puntong to. I wasn't expecting anything and now that we are here, I just know that this is just the fruit of everything that we've put into this journey.
Congrats.
Thank you so much. Salamat.
Narito ang mensahe ni Krishna Marie Gravides sa kanyang mga supporters.
Sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa lahat ng mga kababayan kong Pilipino, maraming salamat po. From the bottom of my heart, I wouldn't be here without all of your love and support. And this is just the fruition of everything that we've poured into our love, our care for the entire Philippines, our bayanihan spirit. So this is a victory that is meant to be shared to each and every one of you. And I dedicate this to every one of you. Kaya maraming salamat po. I can only celebrate that. Krishna Marie Gravides from the Philippines, Miss World Asia! Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat Krishna Marie Gravides for bringing pride to our country, the Philippines.